Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an aerial tour, or I should say a drone tour of Drax Hall in St. Ann. Now Drax Hall is the fastest growing neighborhood in Jamaica. Neighborhood or community. Drax Hall is not a town, it's actually a part of St. Ann's Bay. But this is a neighborhood. This is a neighborhood of Drax Hall. Now, straight ahead you can see some of the homes. This is just one complex. It's a gated community. This is just one complex in Drax Hall. And as you can see, some very nice homes, modern, with the gated community. And this is one of the reasons, or this is the reason why it's growing so fast. Thousands of homes are in Drax Hall, and hundreds more are being built or under construction as we speak. Now, Drax Hall is ideally located between Ocho Rios and St. Ann's Bay. It's on the Northern Coastal Highway, so getting there is quite easy. And a lot of persons from outside Jamaica, like Jamaicans who live abroad or people who want to invest, this is where they buy homes. I know so many people that have bought homes here and rent them out through Airbnb. Now, Ocho Rios is the one of the top tourist destinations in Jamaica. You have Negril, Montego Bay, and Ocho Rios. Those are the top three. But what makes Ocho Rios special is you have the top three tourist attractions in Ocho Rios. You have Dunn's River Falls, you have Mystic Mountain, and you have Dolphin Cove. So you find that Ocho Rios is very popular. It's a very popular place for tourists to stay. So a nice complex like this would have no problem renting on Airbnb. And somebody had asked once, a subscriber, where is a good place for returning residents to live? Community that we're looking at now. So it started out as a resident, just homes. Fast in one direction, you have the banks, the courts, every kind of supermarket, store you need. It's a major. Actually, Ocho Rios should be a city the way it is so developed. It is far more developed than St. Ann's Bay. Now, a minute away in the other direction is St. Ann's Bay, which is the capital of Ocho Rios. Sorry, the capital of St. Ann. Many people might be surprised and wonder, why is it not Ocho Rios? Well, these capitals were hundreds of years ago, and most of the capitals in Jamaica were on the coast, the coastal towns, because everything is a ship. And nobody has bothered to change it. But Ocho Rios should be the third city in Jamaica. So Drax Hall is located between these two very popular and built up cities. So you find that there are so many homes and so many persons in Drax Hall that you find they're now building supermarkets, they're now building restaurants. I'll give you an example. There is a KFC location in St. Ann's Bay, and there's one in Ocho Rios. Now, between St. Ann's Bay and Ocho Rios is probably a 10-minute drive. And KFC recently opened a store in Drax Hall. That just gives you an idea of how many people or how busy this neighborhood of Drax Hall is. Same thing with there's a Starbucks here. There's another Starbucks in Ocho Rios. It's just ideally located, and with the Northern Coastal Highway, you can get to and from Drax Hall with ease. There's literally not much traffic, and they're actually expanding the Northern Coastal Highway to 4 lanes. So getting from Drax Hall to Ocho Rios or St. Ann's Bay is even going to be easier. So I just wanted to give you guys an aerial tour to show you, when we talk about thousands of homes in Drax Hall, I wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. And also, this is the reason why it's the fastest growing neighborhood or community in Jamaica. It's ideally located. And because you have so many homes and so many persons living here, You find, as we said, there's KFC just opened, a Starbucks just opened, a Pizza Hut just opened. You have a lot of plazas being built. We actually have another video up of showing all the construction going on in this little area. You have literally 9 plazas or 9 commercial buildings being built right beside. A call center is being constructed. You have hardware stores being constructed, and even supermarkets they have plans to build supermarkets here. That's just because of how busy the place is. And also it's not only tourists or Airbnb rentals. A lot of persons who live and work in Jamaica live in Draxall, because 5 minutes away is Ocho Rios. Between Draxall and Ocho Rios, easy. It's a 5-minute drive on good roads. And a lot of hotels and tourist attractions are in Ocho Rios. So you find people work in Ocho Rios, live in Draxall. Same thing for St. Anne's Bay. This community is ideally located on the highway, so it makes getting to and from it quite easy. Alright, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.